Alright, for this video we're going to go back a little bit to the beginning and talk about acrylic blanks. These are 3-inch acrylic blanks. The company I used to order from no longer does acrylic blanks, they mostly just cut wood now. There's lots of American companies that cut them, and I believe now you could even get them on Amazon. All blanks come with protective coatings on them. These protective coatings just peel off. Just like that. And on this side, these are just some blanks that my daughter and I had done for a different project that didn't work out. So we've done a layer of tacket with a layer of glitter with a layer of resin mixed in. That way they're ready on one side. And I'm gonna go back a little bit. I got a lot of questions about some old videos and some of the different compounds you can use to cover and protect your blanks after you've got your vinyl on them. So I'm going to vinyl these 3 blanks, and we're going to see, these are the 3 most common. I don't really use this one much, but triple thick, UV resin, which is the most common one that I use other than regular resin, and the Dimensional Magic. So I'm just going to get these ready with my, I've pre-cut some vinyl with some cute little Halloween designs. And I will be back and I'll show you the difference between the 3. Okay, so here's what we've got. They're so cute, aren't they? I'll link the link to the designs on Etsy that I got. Most of the vinyl is tech craft vinyl, and some of it is just Cricut vinyl. Anything permanent will do. The tech craft vinyl definitely cuts very nicely. The Cricut vinyl really disliked the transfer tape, which is an Oracal transfer tape, which worked fine for the TechCraft vinyl. So I don't know what was up with that, but they were incompatible. Do not use Oracal transfer tape with Cricut vinyl. You will be swearing a lot. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do this one with the Dimensional Magic, this one with the triple thick, and this one with the UV resin. It's been a long time since I've used the triple thick. It's water-based, it's easy, it's safe. Let's see how this goes. Oops. I don't know why, but I've got the spooky skeleton song stuck in my head. It does self-level nicely. The bubbles work out nicely. Okay, that is a clear, even coat. It's a little bit cloudy to start. Let's see how it dries. Next one is Dimensional Magic. The key to this one is bubbles. Oh, I found a bubble. Is to work it slowly to avoid bubbles. I find this a really good resin alternative, but not quite as strong, unfortunately. It would work really well for like dog tags, I think. It's so hot in here, but it's quite thin today. And just work it from the middle to the edge. This one, it gives the appearance that it's going to give a nice domed look. A lot of that is water and dries out. It does give a nice, a pretty good finish though. Of course, the downsides to both Triple Thick and Dimensional Magic is the dry time. Now I've already coated the backs of these with glitter, but if you have to coat both sides, you know, it makes it a 2 or 3 day project. All right. That one's got a good coat on it. And last but not least, the quickest one. But this one requires old trusty UV light and a little bit of protection. Please wear gloves, at least. Should do some little bit of research. Respirators, open window, protect yourself. And last but not least, the UV resin. This one's instantly satisfying. You can instantly see the glitter coming through. Even my resin is, it's so hot in here, even the resin is liquidy. UV resin does shrink. Please keep that in mind when you're doming. Make sure you've got good coverage all the way up to the ends. All right, and this one will take a few minutes. So here's my 3 blanks. This is the one with the UV resin. It gives a nice domed coat, probably the most durable coat. If you don't love using resin, this one is the Dimensional Magic. It also gives a really nice finish. Not quite the domed look that the resin gives, and you can kind of feel where, just kind of the outlines of where the vinyl went on. But it's a great finish, not quite as durable, but again, not everybody's comfortable using resin or has it around. It can be expensive as well. Mod Podge, you can just get it from Michael's. This one is the triple thick. It did not dry clear. And it's been 24 hours. I don't advise. If it does dry clear, ever, I will put an update. But as of now, it's very cloudy, which is disappointing, and not great. There they are. And again, I'll link the Etsy store below where I got these patterns. They are absolutely adorable. Most of the resin is from Tech Wrap Craft. I'll link that as well. And